Chapter 2 Navigator Window Basics. The Navigator window panel can be found at the left-hand side between the market watch and the terminal window. You can choose to display or hide this panel by using your keyboard and pressing Ctrl+N, or by using the toolbar shortcut button, or by using the View toolbar and finding the Navigator window option. The Accounts tab in the Navigator window enables you to control useful features of the platform, such as flipping between accounts, the data of which is stored by your client terminal. As we mentioned in a previous session, every time you decide to tick Save Account Information when you log in, your account details will be stored in this section. Next comes the Indicators slot, which enables you to easily add indicators to your charts. The following slot is called Expert Advisors, where you can manage your automated trading strategies. Last but not least, you can see the Scripts tab, where you can use your scripts. In our next tutorial sessions, you will learn about all these sections in more detail. Thank you for watching.